1, 2, 3. Hi kids, it's Princess T. Today, we're gonna learn how to count with toys.
ABC surprises!
Let's open this yellow egg. It's Thomas and Friends. Let's count how many train we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 trains. Ten. Let's open this pink egg. It's fish. Let's count how many fish we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 fish. 7. What's this? It's an egg surprise. It's a Hello Kitty chocolate toy surprise. We have 1 chocolate toy surprise. 1. Let's open it. It's so pretty. Uh-oh. A little broken. I wonder what we're gonna get. It's Hello Kitty. She's so pretty. You wanna try some chocolate? Mmm, yummy. Let's open this green egg. It's My Little Pony. Let's count to see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 My Little Pony surprise toys. 6. Let's open this red egg. It's Minions. Let's count to see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 minions. 4. Let's open this green egg. It's adventure candies. Let's count to see how many candies we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 adventure candies. 8. Please subscribe for more ABC. Learn with me. Bye. Look at all these stickers. One, 2, 3. Kids, how many redfish do you see? Hi kids, it's Princess T. Today, we're gonna learn how to count.